are working on GMetrix Word Expert Practice Exam 1. Currently, we're on the third project called National Parks. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and set the page settings to keep lines together. So we're on the Home tab. We're in the paragraph group. We're going to click the dialog box here. We want to click Lines and Page Breaks tab. And then we want to click underneath this, Pagination, Keep Lines Together. We'll click that. We'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and modify the intense emphasis style. So we're still on the Home tab. We're in the Styles group, and we want to click this More button here. And then this is your intense emphasis. We want to right-click here and click Modify. Now it tells us that we want to change the color to green accent 6. If you're not sure, hover. It is this one, and it tells us to change the font size to 12. It's already at 12, so we'll go ahead and click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and insert an index underneath the index heading, so we'll scroll down through the document, and we'll put our cursor right underneath index. We're going to go to the References tab here at the top, and in the index group, we're going to go ahead and click Insert Index. Now it tells us to insert the default, so we won't make any changes. We'll just click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and insert a table of figures underneath the table of figures heading. So we'll put our cursor right here. We're still in the References tab, and we're in the Captions group, and we'll click Insert Table of Figures. Again, it tells us to insert the default one, so we won't make any changes here. We'll just click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go ahead and modify a date field at the top. So we'll go ahead and scroll all the way to the top, and we're going to select this right here, and I'm going to right click and click Edit Field. There are other ways to do this, but this is the easiest way. From here, we're going to go ahead and in the Date Formats group, we're going to go ahead and type in this right here, the capital MMMM space D comma YYYY, and we'll click OK, and we'll click Mark Completed.